We do a lot of stuff old school in Vietnam because it's really hard. They might have a acre and above, so it's not really smart to get a tractor because the expense will be too high if you barely could have an acre. So just you guys do manual labor. Usually in the United States, you guys always have the cool toys, the tractor. So we broke the bed down evenly, and right now we try and do. We try not to run the same row. So like how our canal, our walkway, that's our gonna be our new rows. So this is just interesting to show you guys how we make grow evenly. Pretty much the sticks pre-measure. We use the stick as a measurement. Then we use the feet and draw a line. That way when we use the pickaxe, so the row be even as much as possible. I'd say 89%. I wouldn't say it would be perfect, but we have an eyeball where to work. Look, I got this guy helped me today so I could record it. There's one thing about Vietnam. It's hard to find reliable helper because life's so easy and simple here. People don't want to work hard. They don't do a great quality job. There's people who do a quality job, but it's real hard to find. This guy had mental issues, but he's a nice guy. You know, he do good work. Pay him fair value plus a little more, but he does an honest job.